Hey Facebook, listen up. For years, people have been asking me for my recipe to my Russian tea cakes. And listen up, I'm about to give it to you. 3/4 cup ground pecans, 1 cup butter, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt. And I'm about to give you the secret tips on what makes my Russian tea cakes so delicious. So the tips are, I only use salted sweet buttercream from Costco. It's in a blue box. And I only buy pecans from Costco. I think the most important thing is I wrap the oven trays with foil, and that's how I cook the cookies, the Russian tea cakes. I put the oven about 350, and each oven's different, but I would say if it was a single tray in the oven, it's going to take about 45 minutes. But keep checking. You want the cookies set, but not super brown, maybe like a light brown. And what's important about the cookie too is cool them down before you powder them up with powdered sugar. Check it out. So this is how they look before you powder them up. And by the way, these are all gifts. If I see you before Christmas, this is your Christmas gift. And these have been cooled down. So I'm just going to sugar them up. You see right here. And there you go. The most delicious Russian tea cake with the most delicious recipe with secret tips. I have a surprise for you. I spinned off the recipe and have rolled out some ube tea cakes. So it's almost the exact same recipe, except I use macadamia nuts and put about, I would say, 1 to 2 teaspoons of ube extract. And these are going to go in the oven. And I also spinned it off and did a pandan Russian tea cake. So it's the same exact recipe, but replace it with macadamia nuts, and did about 1 to 2 teaspoons of pandan for the coloring and flavoring. And these are going to go in the oven. Check it out. So that's what I was talking about when you wrap the trays in foil instead of putting the cookies on a cookie tray. It makes it extra crispy on the outside and super crunchy with the nuts on the inside. So there's the pandan. So these are gonna go in the oven. The best time for a video, late at night when the kids are sleeping and I get some me time. I'll also post a written recipe for the serious bakers. Thank you for listening.